Ties of Kinship 4. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over a mentality which many people, especially Asians, possess. It is the extreme need in forcing people such as relatives to remain physically together. Even though it is not an evil intention yet, in this day and age it often leads to more trouble than good. As people are not perfect, they will make mistakes which upset others such as their relatives. But if this person only met and conversed with their relatives once in a while, there is a much greater chance the mistake will be overlooked by others, so that it does not become a point of argument. But if this same person was constantly around their relatives, it would be much more likely their attitude and behavior would lead to arguments and friction amongst their relatives. In other words, a person is less likely to argue and more likely to be tolerant with someone they only see once in a while than someone they are always around. This is a fact which everyone will understand if they ponder over it. Unfortunately, some people do not understand that it is better to be physically separated, but be at peace with one another, than be together in conflict and friction. Arguments only lead to mental separation, which often has more of a negative effect on families than physical separation. Whereas, being physically separated does not lead to a mental separation. In fact, it often leads to greater mutual respect and appreciation. As the famous saying goes, separation makes the heart grow fonder. It is important to note that it is the duty of a Muslim to uphold their ties of kinship, irrespective of if they are physically with their relatives or not. But this discussion means that Muslims should not believe a bit of physical separation between people is a bad thing. It in fact can be a cause for the bonds between them to strengthen. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.